Send them all
Yeah,
to
well,
sleep.
quite, yeah.
Send them all to sleep, Roy.
Where do you think? Where did Roy go wrong then, as manager?
Players let him down in the end.
Yeah.
I think maybe he was too indecisive. Passed a bit of that anxiety over to the players. Maybe. I mean, prior to Iceland game, he'd won all 10 qualifiers. We'd drawn with Russia, we should have won. We ummed and ahed with Gary Neville arguing about when to bring Russia down.
Rashford, you only brought him in for 5 minutes.
They were arguing for 10 minutes about bringing him on, him and Gary Neville. So Gary was the wrong influence for him. Sit there and shut up and do what you want.
No, the one thing,
you do what you want, not what you want.